Yeah, so you're probably wondering why I look like a Sith Lord today. The reason for that is because, one, I'm a little hungover. But the reason I'm hungover is because I was sitting here last night working on a video, and I saw the biggest bee mankind has ever created. And I don't know where he went. I have no idea, bro. So I have my fly swatter at the ready. It's right here. And I got my hood so I can't be attacked from behind. This is how they survived in the olden days, you know? When they were worried about all these predators in their life, threw their hood up, protected themselves. Like having armor, you know, when I'm going into war. Do you think bees think that when they, like, see people?
Like, fuck, bros, he's wearing armor.
Being hungover doesn't feel good, bro. I don't think I'm ever drinking again. It's never happening. I got, like, a stomach ache. My head fucking hurts. Gotta take a shit, you know, like, this is never a good combination. But on the bright side, since I'm hungover, I get to treat myself. That meant I got 5 guys. That means maybe I'll play a game of Valorant today. I get to sleep a lot. That's cool. All of these things just to make myself not want to die today, you know? That's why we didn't get a video today, though. Or yesterday, rather. Today of the day of the recording. But yesterday, as of the day it's published, probably. But, you know, that's okay. Some days, you know, it's good to take a break from each other. It's like a relationship. You shouldn't spend every day with your significant other. You could spend a lot of days with them, but you shouldn't spend every day with them, right? I think it's okay to spend a day apart. It builds trust, love, gives you time to yourself, which is important. It's important to have time to yourself. I remember at high school, I wasn't very good at being alone. That's something I'm still learning how to do. That's why, like, sometimes I'll go out alone, you know? Like, I've practiced over the years, every now and then, go to a movie alone, you know? Ain't nothing wrong with that. What, you're gonna sit in a dark room with people and not talk to them? That's what you're gonna do anyway, right? Why don't you go sit in a dark room by yourself and not talk to yourself? What's wrong with that? Why are we treating that like a weird thing? It's not weird to go see a movie alone. I don't think it's weird at all. You can't discuss it with somebody afterwards, which is kind of a bummer, but I guess you could walk up to somebody in the theater and be like, oh, what's up, man? You feel that movie? You know, and he'd be like,
it was pretty good, bro.
You know? Jesus fuck, dude. Everyone's just in dumb angles all the time. And I suck at this game. I got split in my last DM too. I'd rather play a more fun map. Give me like a Haven right now, you know? Get out of the corner. That's what I'm saying, bro. Nice. These headphones that Kester recommended are, they're pretty good so far. I don't have a problem with them yet. I don't think that they're gonna stop working. Because my last headphones, the Razer Hammerheads I was using, where are those fuckers at? They come in such a cool case, which is so disappointing because it's such a shitty product. You open these things up. Look at that. Look at the way that they're like carried in here, right? So they look like this, right? And you can't really see it. They're black. But they come like 2 of them. The right one still works for me. I've had these for like a week. The left one does not work for me. But yeah, you get the point. It's really annoying that I bought these wireless headphones. There's no option to have them wired. And they just fucking suck, bro. They just don't work. I have to turn on gaming mode so there's latency. It's like a $60 product. Think of all the other things I could have bought for $60. I could have bought 5 Guys 3 times for $60. Kester, can you edit, like, just edit any other gameplay in the background? Can we take Tenz's footage and put my face over it and then make it look like I'm playing like Tenz? Have them in on the meme though, you know? I don't want it to seem like I'm copying Tenz. I want you guys to watch gameplay while I'm talking about dumb shit. Did you see that the Berlin tournament has the 5 Guys right next to it, bro? I would just play my match, and then if I lose, go and eat fucking 5 Guys. You feel great, bro. I saw all the comments saying, don't eat there. There's so many great restaurants across the street. But I mean, like, bro, we're gamers. Gamers love fucking 5 Guys. It's like 1 and 1 together, man. Like, you can't tell gamers not to eat 5 Guys. They're just gonna eat 5 Guys. And that's just how she goes. I never get the Cajun fries or anything like that. Their shakes they're pretty good. But I heard like the place that I live near, the 5 Guys near me, I hear that they don't really clean it all that well, and that kind of scares me, you know? You never want to know how fast food is made, because once you know how it's made, it becomes a little bit more gross, right? It's already gross to begin with because it's so greasy, but it tastes so good, so you just kind of ignore it. But like once you know how it's made, you're like, I don't feel as good about this, you know? So we haven't talked about anything relevant to Valorant yet. So let's try to throw something in there so we can clickbait this video a little bit, you know? What are we going to talk about, guys? What's a good topic right now? I clickbait Tenz too much, so we're probably not going to talk about Tenz. I used Hiko yesterday, so we're probably not going to talk about Hiko. What does really well in Valorant? Let's talk about, I feel like if I do a positioning topic, people will click out too fast. So I think it needs to be like a trending thing, right? Oh yeah. I guess there's the new Valorant act coming out. I guess for the purpose of this discussion, let's try to speed up the intro a little bit, right? So the new act's coming out soon. I don't know if anybody has seen the map yet. I heard that it's called Canyon. There's no images for it yet, I believe. I only saw the Game Leap video. Game Leap posted about it. I'm not roasting Game Leap, for the record. Coach Mills, I love what you do. I love your energy with it. I just think it's hilarious that it's like, yo, bro, we new map leaks, and then it's like, yeah, we got the map name and stuff like that. I think that's fucking hilarious. This is the grind. That's just YouTube, bro. That's just YouTube, and I think that is so funny. I click on it, and I'm like, oh, map leaks. I wonder what this is. It's like, his name Canyon. I'm like, sweet. I watched the 6-minute video for that. But I mean, that's what I was looking for, dude. A leak is a leak, and it's like, at the end of the day, if that's what we got, that's what we got on the map. That's the whole map. That's all we know about it. It's named Canyon. I'm like, okay, so I watched the video. I was like, Canyon. It sounds kind of cool. I do hope that they don't go for like a Canyon vibe where like this is I'm ruining everything, bro. Don't drink before you record the video the day before. I'm not drunk right now. I was drunk the day before, and it's just one of those days, bro. We're doing one more DM so we can talk about Canyon. My favorite part about these videos is that I record music when I listen to them, and you guys don't hear it. And sometimes I'll end up singing along with it, and then I remember that you guys don't hear it. Yeah, Canyon. Yeah, I hope that it's not like too divided like that. I just think it'd be awful to be like running through a trench and like just two dudes crossfiring you from above. Like, of all things, it's gonna have like another rehab of fucking Icebox, bro. I don't need that in my life. I really don't need that in my life. Whatever we can get out of it. I was kind of expecting a new agent, and honestly, a new map would be fun. Like, Breeze is cool. Don't get me wrong. Breeze is cool. I like Breeze. A lot of people hate Breeze. I think Breeze is aight. But there's always a but. I think I could use a more... I don't think I'm going to get one, but I could use a more standard map. Give me another Ascent, bro. Even a Haven. Haven's fun. I don't think Haven's too crazy. Not that many wild ideas going on with Haven, but they got 3 bomb sites. Okay. You don't go to B site half the time anyway, so it's not that big a deal. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh no. They didn't mention, though, that this is going to be a hype patch, so it's also entirely possible that they publish this map, and then they also publish an agent, which would be kind of cool, because wasn't there agent leaks or something previously? Oh, fucking hell, bro. I just want to be good at this game. Go to the game. Off-angle Ontarios, bro. I don't know why we call them that. It's not like Ontario's a name, but... Oh, yeah! I can't get enough. Must be loved. Dude. Oh, that brimstone. I did it to him twice, bro. Oh my god. That brimstone's mauling, bro. He bodied me. That's what the brimstone should have done. Oh, my accuracy doesn't reset ever, bro. Theirs does, mine doesn't. What? Why? Hello? He's just sitting in that corner? I hit a 137. It's so hard to hit targets with their knife hat, actually. If they keep strafing back and forth and you have a deagle, bro. Thank you, Jet. I was doing so good in this DM until I started trolling, man. Aww. Nice. I want to see that Brim more, bro. How's he doing? How's my Brim daddy been doing today? You having a good day? I hope so, dude. Everyone else is lame in this DM. They're all shooting me and shit. Where are my bullets? All right, bro. I think that's about all I got left in me. I appreciate you guys for watching the videos. If you made it this far, share it with your friends. Give it a good old like-a-roo. And subscribe to the channel, dude. I think most of you are actually subscribed to the channel because we're in the down bad slumps of YouTube. But one day, you guys will not be subscribed to the channel. He just gives me the kill. I love it. He's like, he swings out while reloading so I can kill him. Oh my god. Hold on. We gotta find Brimstone one more time before we end the video. Where are you at, buddy? I think it's hilarious that I've been doing this and this DM lobby is really bad, bro. Nice. Dude, my crosshair placement's not very good right now. Like, when I whip around like that, I am not aiming in the right spot. Should get it. I hate when you see a gunfight like that and you're not able to third party it fast enough. If you third party it fast enough, you can get both kills. All right, guys. I think this is it. Wait, is that him? No, but it's the Sky. Maybe we can knife her. She has a deagle too. No. Can we get a knife kill? Here it comes. God damn it. No! She checks that angle! Oh my god, it's a 50-50! Check the left, bro! Oh, fucking hell. Alright, see you tomorrow.